Hi, I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this fidget toy, which is kind of like you put 3 layers together and then fidget, or you can flip it over and do the fortune teller if you write numbers in here. Well, I think you know we're on a trip, so I'm going to be using this for my background for now. So yeah, let's just get started on how to make this. So, excuse me. So we're gonna start with the piece of square paper like this, but I already have this, so I'm gonna teach you how to fold a printer size paper cut square. So first, fold it diagonally till this line reaches this line, so it's diagonally. Then you crease sharply here. I already did that, like that. Excuse me, I have a cold or something, so yeah. So then make a tiny little rip up here along this line. Now, here, I'll show you. Now, do this and then just rip on the table. Here, I'll show you. So, just rip. I know you have a table, so here, I'll show you on here, okay? On this concrete part. So, like that, and just rip like that. Oh, so there you have a piece of paper cut square. So now let's make a square base, or yeah, whatever, that kind of base. So fold like this, then take this edge and fold here. Like that. Like that. Then fold that edge to here. Like this. And fold. If you want to know how to fold this hard fold a bit better, click up there. Okay? So now fold this edge, this corner to this edge part. Right down the middle. So like that. Since I don't have a table, I can't crease, but you might want to because it will make the model look better. So now fold like this. Now flip over. Now you can see these two. Fold this corner down here. So like that hard fold we did earlier, like this, like that. Now, do the same with other side. Or you can just do that. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. Like that. And now you have this. Now, here comes the kind of tricky step. Fold right like that. Like that. Now, fold down. Now, fold up again. Sorry. There. Okay, so fold like this. All diagonally, like this. And, I prefer using cardstock or something like this, but you can use normal paper. It won't come out as good as squish, but it'll still work. So now do this. Push up. I don't have any scrap paper with me, so I'm just using this. Plus it's thick, so it'll make the model better. So flip over here. like that. I think 3 times is enough, but try and get to the edge of the paper until this corner gets to here. Like, for me, it's 3. See, 1, 2, and 3. And it reaches the top, but still, you can do whatever you want. So, sorry. Okay, so that's basically done. So just squish, or maybe you want to separate it first a bit. Squish. Just a cool fidget toy that I invented. So yeah, that's basically it. Okay, see you next time. Bye.